My name is Michelle. Welcome back to my classroom. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how much money I've earned here on YouTube. I was able to monetize my YouTube channel in January of this year. When you start earning money here on YouTube, you're not able to retrieve your earnings until you earn a sum of $100. So I decided to let my money accumulate for a period of 6 months just to see how much I could earn in that time frame. Before we do get into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. On this channel, you will find live class recordings where I share with you all of the different techniques I use to teach English online. You will also find transparent videos of my earnings, just to give you an idea of how much money can be made in this industry. You will find demo lesson videos for all of the companies that I successfully signed contracts with, just to help you better prepare for your demo lessons as well. And you will find videos for teaching tips and other helpful information. So if those are things that would interest you, I do ask that you would consider subscribing to my channel. If you are a return viewer, thank you so much for joining me. So as I said, I'm going to share with you how much money I've earned here on YouTube in the 6 months time frame. So I'm going to share my screen with you so we can take a look at my earnings. So this is my Google AdSense account. As I said, I started earning money on YouTube in January of this year. So I'm just going to expand my screen a bit so you can see exactly what I'm trying to show you. So as I said, this is January of this year. So we're going to take a look at the earnings for January. As you can see, I started with a balance of 33 cents. This 33 cents was from a blog that I used to have. And on YouTube, I earned $9.36, which gave me an ending balance of $9.69 for the month of January. So for the month of February, again, I start with my $9.69. I earned an additional $57.50 for the month of February on YouTube, and I have an ending balance of $67.19 for the month of February. For the month of March, again, I start with my $67.19. I earn an additional $73.13 for the month of March, and I end with $140.32 for the month of March. For the month of April, again, I start with $140.32. I earn an additional $61.48 for the month of April, and I have an ending balance of $201.80 for the month of April. For the month of May, again, I start with my $201.80. I earn an additional $52.32, and I have an ending balance of $254.12 for the month of May. For the month of June, again, I start with my $254.12. I earn an additional $53.40, and I have an ending balance of $307.52 for the month of June. So that is how much I've earned here on YouTube in a 6 months time frame thus far. As you can see, it's not very much, but I'm certainly grateful for the earnings that I have. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video to be helpful, please give me a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Teach happy. Happy teaching.